Skincare and having clear skin are essential aspects of grooming and self-care for men. It boosts your attractiveness and leaves a good first impression on others. It's not gay to take care of yourself or your grooming as a man. Rather, it makes you more charismatic. In this video, we are going to explain everything you need to know in order to get clear, glowing skin as a guy. 1. Develop a routine. A skincare routine should be simple, not complicated. I recommend that you cleanse, moisturize, and apply an SPF in the morning. At night, cleanse, apply a treatment, and then moisturize. This simple 3-step routine will reap 90% of the benefits. All of the products I mention are linked in the description. For cleansers, I recommend the La Roche-Posay Purifying Cleanser for oily skin, or the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser for dry skin. As for moisturizers, I recommend the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer for dry skin, and the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer for oily skin. Some of the SPFs that I recommend are the CeraVe Broad Spectrum 30 Moisturizing Lotion for dry skin and the Neutrogena Oil-Free SPF for oily skin. Finally, there are a number of treatments that you can use. I strongly suggest using a retinol serum, as it will decrease fine lines and open up your pores, allowing for less acne. You can also use a vitamin C serum to decrease wrinkles, or a tretinoin cream to decrease acne scars and dark spots. 2. Diet. Maintaining a clean diet is absolutely crucial to achieving clear, healthy skin. Your diet should consist of clean, whole foods such as chicken, red meat, fish, vegetables, eggs, and nuts. Dairy, foods high in sugar, and foods high in saturated fat can cause acne. What you put in your body is crucial to what is reflected outwards. 3. Hair. Maintaining clean hair is vital for getting clear skin. Your hair secretes a lot of oils onto your face, which can cause lots of acne. Form a good hair routine, shampooing 3 times a week and using conditioner regularly. This will minimize the oils that are on your face, thus minimizing acne. Also, try not to touch your face as much, as the dirt and grime from your hands will make your face dirty and oily. 4. Other factors. There are 2 main other factors that are crucial for achieving clear skin. The first one is water intake. Make sure to drink at least 3 liters of water every day, which will flush out your pores and make you look more youthful. In addition, get at least an hour of sunlight. There are so many benefits of sunlight, and it will make your skin more healthy as well as allowing you to intake more vitamin D. In this video, we covered everything you need to know to achieve clear skin. Apply these tips, and you will become immediately more attractive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.